Audio Jungle.
Hey all, this is Brian Wallace at CLA, the Laundry Association. Well, I'm here in our home studio and I just got off the line. I was testifying in the state of Washington remotely on their version of the microfiber filtration mandates, and I thought it'd be a good opportunity to get everybody updated on what we're working on. Let's start with Washington State, and the reason that we jumped on today to testify on behalf of the industry is that their bill is particularly difficult when it comes to requiring each and every washing machine sold into the state to have its own microfiber filtration system. And we all know that no such filter exists. There's no space for it. We don't want to give customers access to the bulkhead to clean these filters. And many other challenges that are presented here. What's even more difficult about the Washington State bill is that it prioritizes the commercial washers and it doesn't even immediately cover residential machines. And it also has a retrofit requirement. It would require every washing machine to be retrofitted with a microfiber filter by 2028. So this is part of what we do. We try to educate legislators and speak up on behalf of the industry. In the meantime, we're still hard at work in New York State, where we're working on yet a different version of the microfiber mandate bill. We actually have a meeting tomorrow with the bill sponsor in the Senate, Senator Kavanaugh, who covers Lower Manhattan. And we'll have an opportunity to talk about why commercial washers ought to be exempt from that legislation when it comes to making the microfiber requirement in place. We're keeping an eye on Illinois, where we've already amended the bill to eliminate commercial washers from the mix in case that does come to a vote here in the next session. And just today, New Jersey introduced their version of the bill. So microfiber filtration mandates remain a big issue. We're here, we're working on it, we're engaging with lobbyists, we're testifying on your behalf whenever possible. So stay tuned to CLA for all the updates, and we'll talk to you next time.